Animals, including humans, can be sorted into different groups dependent on the makeup of their body. Vertebrates are organisms with a backbone, such as humans, bears, cats, and dogs. Invertebrates, however, are organisms without a backbone, such as earthworms, snails, slugs, crabs, and lobsters. Invertebrates can be sorted into two different groups dependent on the type of skeleton that they possess. The skeleton has three main jobs: to protect the organs inside the body, to allow movement, and to support and protect the body from falling to the floor. Invertebrates can be sorted into exoskeletons and hydroskeletons. An exoskeleton is a skeleton on the outside of the body that supports and protects it, like that seen on a scorpion. A hydrostatic skeleton, however, is a skeleton made up with a fluid-filled compartment mainly found in soft-bodied animals such as a jellyfish.